How to 1v1 in Arsenal Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of initiating 1v1 match within the popular game Arsenal on Roblox. To locate the 1v1 option, begin by launching the game and logging in as usual. Upon entering the Arsenal, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and select Extra instead of Usual. Deploy option. Within the Extra menu, you will find various game modes including 1v1. Click on the 1v1 mode, which will prompt the server to update and transport you into the match lobby. From there, you can utilize the leaderboard to find 1v1 matches by clicking on Find 1v1 Match. Once a match is found, both you and your opponent need to ready up quickly to commence the game. Upon mutual readiness, you will be seamlessly teleported to the map where 1v1 match takes place. So this was all about how to do 1v1 in Arsenal Roblox. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.